Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a profound topic that touches the hearts of many: the idea that Allah tests those He loves the most. It's a concept that can bring both comfort and reflection, especially during challenging times. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, and sometimes it can feel overwhelming. But what if these trials are not just random hardships? What if they are, in fact, a sign of love and care from Allah? When we face difficulties, it's easy to feel isolated or question our faith. However, these tests can serve as opportunities for growth, resilience, and deeper connection with our Creator. Think about it. Just as a gardener prunes a plant to help it flourish, Allah may allow us to experience challenges to strengthen our character and deepen our faith. These moments can teach us patience, gratitude, and empathy. They can remind us of our purpose and the importance of relying on Allah's wisdom. It's essential to remember that tests are not punishments. They are part of a divine plan that we may not fully understand. Each trial we face can lead us to greater clarity and a stronger relationship with Allah. Embracing this perspective can transform our struggles into stepping stones toward spiritual growth. So, the next time you find yourself in a difficult situation, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself what lessons you can learn and how you can grow from this experience. Trust that Allah is with you, guiding you through every challenge, and that these moments are shaping you into the person you are meant to be. Thank you for joining me in this reflection today. I hope it brings you comfort and insight. If you found this message meaningful, consider following or subscribing for more uplifting content. Remember, you are never alone on this journey. Until next time, take care and stay blessed.